Friends, as you can see here, on the basis of this setup, I have practiced a trade here, the result of which is in front of you all. Friends, this setup helps me to know the movement of the market in 5 seconds. So if you also want to understand the movement of the market on its basis, then watch the video till the end. I will explain this setup to you in detail so that this setup will give you a good result. So before that, friends, if you have come to this channel for the first time, then after subscribing to the channel, like the video, because this is the channel on which you get the latest updates related to pocket option first. And if you want to learn, then we also have a Telegram group where I provide you more knowledge of trading. So to learn trading well, you can also follow me on Telegram. You will find my Telegram ID in the description box below the video. Click and follow me on Telegram. Whatever I have used in this setup, I will tell you at the end of the video, because it is important to tell you first how this setup will tell you the uptrend and downtrend. So watch the video till the end without skipping. I would like to tell you one more thing. This video has been made only and only for educational purpose. Whatever you learn from this video, first of all, practice it well on the demo account on its basis. So first of all, I would like to tell you that we will practice for 5 seconds on the basis of this setup. So that is why we will keep our duration 5 seconds, and at the same time we will also keep the time of the candles that are being formed on our chart. That is, here we will click on S5. How will this setup work? Let me explain to you. First of all, here is this Bollinger Band. This is the upper band of the Bollinger Band. This is the mid band and this is the lower band. After that, what you can see below. Here it is bearish power and bullish power. Their work is that they tell us which candle has the power. That is, if you look carefully here, the green bars are becoming bigger, then it means green candles are being formed in the market. And if the red bars bigger than these green bars start forming, then understand that the trend is going to change there. So let me show you by practicing on its basis. Now you have to remember one thing, that if the market is making candles on the mid-band, then you don't have to practice there. So friends, I am not getting any confirmation on this chart right now. Let me change the chart and show you and practice on its basis. As you can see, the market has broken the midline, and on the downside, the green bars are becoming bigger on the bull power and weaker on the bear power, so it means there is an up movement here. So that's why I am practicing for up here. You can see the result. It was quite amazing. Come on, here the market has just touched its peak point, so let's wait a little. As soon as it comes below this, we will trade. You can see. It has come down here and you can see on the downside. Even now the red bars are becoming small and the green bars are becoming big. It means practice can be done for up. Come on friends, here suddenly the market movement changed and you can see carefully. The market has broken the midline and now you can see. The green bars are becoming smaller and the red bars are becoming bigger, so it means we can go for down here. You can see this. I am pressing the red button twice for recovery here, and you can see, the result is in front of all of you. Friends, now I will also tell you the logic of placing the trade and also tell you where you do not have to practice. If you look carefully here, I have told you one point that when the market is around the midline, i.e. in this way, then you will not practice here. If you have to practice on its basis, then you have to wait that any one candle breaks it here. The way the candle has broken here, okay, after that you can practice. First, the confirmation is clear. Remember one more thing as soon as the market. If candles start forming below this midline, then it means that a downtrend has started there, and before practicing, you will see that the red bars of bearish power are becoming bigger, and the bars of bullish power are becoming smaller here. Then it means that practice can be done here for 5 seconds in the down direction. You can see. There are red candles here continuously, and friends, if you want to practice for up, then I will tell you that too by going to some other chart. So on this chart we can practice for up. That is why I am practicing trade for up here, and you can see the result. Friends, why did I do this practice here? Let me explain to you by drawing. If you are looking carefully, then the candles that are being formed in the market here are being formed above this midline. So it means that there is an uptrend here. The first confirmation is clear. What second confirmation do we have to see? If we are practicing for up, then the bull's power bars here, That is, the green-colored bars start becoming bigger, which you can see here. Their size is quite good, and if the red bars start forming small here, then you can continuously practice here. And if a red candle comes in between your practice, then you have to practice again for the green candle. Because sometimes error candles are formed here, so for this, you will have to practice again on the next candle. So friends, I have told you why I practiced here. Now you must have understood this setup well. Now I will go and practice on some other chart on the basis of this setup. Now I told you that when the market is on the midline of this Bollinger Band, then you will not practice here at all. You can see the reason for this. You do not have to practice on this type of chart because here the candles are being formed on its mid-band. Like here, it will be formed below the upper and lower band, so you can practice here. You always have to remember this thing. You can see on this chart. First, an up moment came in the market. After that, a down moment came by breaking the upper band. Now again, the up moment is coming here, but before that, you can practice here. You have to wait for some time. As you get all the confirmations, you will practice again the way I am showing you. In this, an opposite moment has come here. No problem, friends. We can still see here that the market is on the upper band, and this means a very good up moment, and the green bars are also getting bigger. Okay, friends, I am not getting any confirmation here right now. We will have to practice again on some other chart where we get good confirmation. So friends, I have changed the chart here. You can see what is happening here. Here, the bull power bars are getting weak and the bearish power bars are getting strong, mean that the market will form red candles now. You can see this. Friends, on the basis of this, you have to practice in the same way, but first use the demo account, because the study that I am explaining to you here, it is possible that you may make some mistakes, so for this, you must practice properly on the demo account. Friends, I will tell you what is happening on this chart right now. The candles in the market are forming below the midline, and their color is becoming green here. So as soon as red starts forming here, we can go for down. So here you can see that when this candle touched the lower band here, this is a good confirmation. So it means that going forward here, only red candles will come in the market. You can see good result because we got all the confirmation here. After that, the market will follow the trend only. Now I will explain to you what happened here. First, the market came to this point and made candles below this midline. Okay, our first confirmation was cleared. But you will think why I did not take the trade here. Because here you can see. Right now, these red bars which are being formed here are being formed in descending order. As soon as ascending order came in them, that means they started becoming bigger one after the other. I have practiced here, so you have to remember this thing also, that when these start being formed here in ascending order and green bars start becoming smaller here, then we can practice for down there. You have to remember three things. If you are practicing for down, then candles are being formed below this midline. These red bars are becoming bigger and are moving in bigger one after the other, and the green bars here are becoming smaller. If all these confirmations are getting cleared, then you can press the sell button there, and on the same basis I had practiced this here. You can see its result, and if you want to press the buy button in the same way as I am pressing it here, then what things do you have to remember for that? Let me explain to you. First of all, you will see here that the candles that are being formed in the market are being formed above this middle line. Because we are now seeing the trend here and want to press the buy button, then first of all, we will see this. The candles will be forming above this middle line. Okay, second, what will we see? The green bar here is becoming bigger, and from the red bar, which you can see here, the red bars are becoming smaller and the green bars are forming so well. As soon as all this confirmation is cleared, we can press the buy button here, and the result of the practice that I got by pressing the buy button here, you can see it here. Friends, whatever I have explained to you, you must have understood it well, and you must have also liked this video. Now I will show you its full setup, that what I have done here. First of all, let us go with its settings. You have to keep the time frame S5 here. You have to keep 4 types of candles. This is what you will do first. After that, you will have to click on S5 for the duration. Okay, and this strategy will work only on OTC pairs. You have to remember this thing too. Now I will show you that here I have taken a Bollinger Band. What is the period I have made here? 20, and what is the deviation here? 2. Then I went to styles, and here the top, middle, bottom bands. I have made them 2 pixels here. You can see this. After this, I saved it. Then I have taken bear's power and bull's power here. I clicked on bear's power. Its period was 13. I made it 15. I went to styles. I made its color red and its thickness. I made it 2px here. Earlier, its figure here was in lines. I made it on histogram. Okay, you should also do this thing. You have to change this thing and save it. I did the same with the power here. The period went to the styles of 15. Its thickness, which I made here, was 2px. Its color here was already green, and I changed it from line to histogram. After this setting, I saved it as well. Now I have told you how this setup works and how it will tell you the trend of the market. First of all, you have to practice well on the basis of this setup on the demo account. After that, if your result is good, then you must tell me by commenting. So friends, go and take out the result on the basis of 5 seconds and send me the screenshot on my Telegram ID. You will find the link of my Telegram channel in the description box below the video. You can contact me directly by clicking on it. So that's all in this video. Friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.